Fred Williams XL prime, the power function. What is it? It's a replacement for square root. Here it is, power B5, C5. You need 2 bits of information. You need number and power. Whereas in square root, we have to go equal square root, number, and then we use the caret and whatever power you want to raise it to. Here, we have 4 to the 5th power. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Negative 4 to the 7th. 729 to this 0.63 power gives you 62. 81 to 0.25. You could, thank goodness this tool's available, because can you imagine breaking this down the old-fashioned way? It would take a while, but 81 to the 0.25. So there's the power function. Over here, here's some examples. Here are my examples. They're pretty much probably a takeoff. I don't know, do I have F9 in here? No, I don't. Here's the power, 2, 3. It's a time saver, really. You can get a lot done, or if you're old-fashioned like me, I like square root. But here is the latest, greatest version, and what else can I say? Square root or power. Fred Williams XL prime.